everyone, my name's Hayden. I'm from Essex in England. I've been playing drums for about 18 years now. I play with the bands Palps and Jellyfish and the Milkmen. And I've recently been endorsed by Collision Drumsticks. As you can see here, I've got the 5ARs, really solid, sturdy, durable sticks. Really good grip on them as well. And as it says in the name, they've got the extra reach. So if you did want to do some crazy tom stuff followed by some cymbals, then you don't have to put as much effort into reaching around the whole kit. Everyone I've met so far on the Collision team has been really friendly, really knowledgeable, so they know exactly what you want out of a drumstick. And they have some really great deals as well, bulk buying as well, which I did. So you'll be set up for a long time if you buy more. So basically what I'm trying to say is buy these sticks because they're really, really good and really worth the money. If you've watched this far in the video, then I'm about to play a song by Palps called SAD. I hope you enjoy.